Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get light blocks in Minecraft. Light blocks are incredibly useful, invisible sources of illumination that can brighten up any area without showing a visible light source. They offer a range of light levels, from 0 to 15, allowing for precise control over your environment. These versatile blocks are perfect for creating custom builds, adding hidden lighting, or simply illuminating dark spaces discreetly. Let's dive into how you can acquire them. To get light blocks, you'll primarily use commands, as they aren't available in the standard creative inventory. The most straightforward method is using the /give command. You'll need to specify the recipient, the item light block, the quantity, and crucially, the light level you desire, from 0 to 15. For instance, typing /give at slightblock 115 will give you one light block set to its maximum illumination level of 15. It's quite simple once you know the command. Beyond direct chat commands, you can also leverage command blocks for more automated or repeated light block generation. Simply place a command block in your world, then input the same /give command we discussed earlier into its interface. Once the command is set, activate the command block using a redstone signal. This method is fantastic for setting up complex lighting systems or for quickly distributing many light blocks across a larger build area. It offers great flexibility for your projects. Once you have your light blocks, using them is very intuitive. Simply right-click to place a light block in your desired location. If you right-click on an already placed light block, it will cycle through its various light levels from 0 to 15, allowing you to fine-tune the illumination. To remove a light block, just break it like any other block. Remember, these blocks are completely invisible to players in survival mode, making them perfect for hidden lighting solutions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.